Welcome back to Prep for Calc. Let's try to recall really quick what did I learn about yesterday? I think there was 3 topics. I remember that. Nothing about geometry. Something about nothing about trig. I don't think. Functions. Potentially. Rational expressions. Complex fraction. Okay. Got 2 now. Simplifying complex fractions. These are like fractions, dividing fractions with quadratics in there, and you got to factor and cancel them out, etc. Remembering that division is actually multiplication by the reciprocal. Next, solving radical expressions that basically simplify into a quadratic equation. So when you square root, you need to check the answers after because you squared the square root. Or I think that will apply to any positive root to cancel out the positive root. Check it back with the original. Anything else? Yeah, there is one more. Exponents about something about logarithms. Yeah, solving logarithms on both sides. When you have the same base logarithm on both sides of the equation, what can you do? If you have log a m equals log a n, well then you know that m equals n. So that's everything from yesterday, I believe. Solving an equation involving logarithms on both sides, yeah. Complex fractions, greatest common factor, and quadratic factoring, good. Solving a radical equation that simplifies to a quadratic equation. 1 radical, boom. So, on that note, I'm going to jump back in to continue learning. I'll be back to recall what I learned in a little bit. Alright, only one new topic today. The rest was review and stuff we've already done in the past, all stuff we've done in the past. Alright, odd root property, essentially solving an equation in which there's an odd power, and so you use the odd root property. It says what? Odd root property says essentially there's exactly 1 real root for an odd root instead of 2 like the evens, and that root can actually be negative. So solving an equation using the odd root property. Odd root property, there is exactly 1 real root, and it can be negative. That's it for today. Talk to you tomorrow. See you.